Good morning. Says Big Willie. Vegas. It is raining and we are going down this.
I want my fans to know that if I slip and fall and die, I love you all.
Yeah, this is dangerous.
And there's no place I'd rather die than
I mean, look at that. All right. I just want to give you a little taste of what we do out here. And this is very dangerous. So, let me start scooching down there. Hopefully you guys see this video. Some little video of the trail. The rain has slowed down. One thing about being in the whites it's not so much the up and downs that, well, it is those, but that slow you down. It's your climbing. You know, there's been some steep ups, but you can climb the whole way. These where you have to do some rock climbing. That's what makes it so slow going. And when you're coming down and it's raining and you're going down the steep descent and them rocks are wet, that slows you down tremendously. I was talking to somebody and they said, well, yeah, we hike all over the place. I said, but we don't do the AT trail because that's especially hard and dangerous, especially when it's wet. See this one. Got a little bright area out here, but you can't see anything. It's going to be a no view day from what the weather forecast says. We're all straggling out. There's probably 20 something people at the camp. The caretaker was fantastic, just a great guy. Big Willie's behind me, a little ways. Globetrotter and Sideshow is up ahead. I'll never catch them. They're like mountain goats on these rocks. Well, anyway, enough blithering. Head north. Hello, we're at, what hut is this? Zealand Falls Hut. And I took a tumble, look at that. Ooh, right into the creek. I was hoping to get some video or pictures of it, but no guys. So, some of the crew, it's been raining all day. But we're in this hut and it's warm and we're loving life. I will get back with you later. I'll let you know. Fell down. It seems to be a daily occurrence now in this rain. Talk to you later. Bye. I always want people in there.
See that up there? That's so cool.
Look at that. That is neat. Oops. Look at that rock right there. Neat. All right. Well, here's the trail. It has been pretty nice. I think we got 5 miles, or probably about 4 miles now to get to the shelter, which only houses 8. So we're trying to hurry up and get there. So, I hope we make it. Globetrotter and Pigpen are up in front of me. Big Willie Dog is back. I don't know where he is. Vegas is back. I don't know where he is. So we're just in a hurry. And it's raining still. we're looking at, the weather's been terrible, and it's only going to get worse tomorrow. It's only going to get worse tomorrow. But we're trying to see how it's going to be to go over Washington, because Washington is the wild card. What's bad down here is always worse up there. So we're just trying to judge when we can get over, what the weather is, what the temperature is. Oh well. Yeah, I'm blithering again. So I'll get back with you later. Head north. Good evening. Did 17 miles today by myself. I'm stealth camping. This is at the base of, well, literally at the base of, started to going up to Mount Washington. And it's a long way up there, so. I was hiking with Globetrotter. Sorry, just looking, can you hear the rain? I was hiking with Globetrotter, Pigpen, and Sideshow, and I let them go ahead because I was waiting at the shelter back there for the other people to show up, and they never did. So I just came up here. I thought I'd find them. They must have went further. Oh well. But I'll just ride out this storm. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It has been terrible weather. Terrible. Man, I can't get a break. Yeah, well, what can you do? Just keep struggling, keep fighting. I'll talk to you later. Bye.